Good morning, dear students. Consider this question. Find the area of shaded region as shown in the figure. In this figure, there are three semicircles on the sides of a right angle triangle. So, on the diameter BC, there is a semicircle BACB. On the side BA as diameter, there is a semicircle BPA, and on the side AC as diameter, there is a semicircle AQCA. And shaded region shown in the figure, we have to find the area of the shaded region. So, to find the area of the shaded region, first find the complete area and subtract the area of semicircle on diameter BC. So, dear students, we can find the complete area of the figure by area of the triangle ABC plus area of semicircle BPA plus area of semicircle AQC minus area of semicircle on diameter BC. So, area of the shaded region. Solution. Area of the shaded region is equal to total area of figure minus total area of figure minus area of total area of figure minus area of semicircle on diameter BC minus area of semicircle on diameter BC. Now we can find total area of figure by area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle BPAB plus area of semicircle AQCA, right, equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle on BA plus area of semicircle on AC, area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle on BA plus area of semicircle on AC minus area of semicircle on minus area of semicircle on BC as diameter. So, by seeing this figure, we can write the expression of required area. Dear students, area of triangle ABC will be half 3 into 4 centimeter. So, equal to required area is equal to, we can write required area is equal to 1 by 2 3 into 4 semi square, this is the area of triangle, plus area of semicircle on BA. BA is 3 centimeter, therefore radius is 3 by 2 centimeter. So area of semicircle will be pi into r square means 3 by 2 square, pi r square by 2. This is the area of semicircle plus area of semicircle on AC as diameter. AC is 4 centimeter, radius is 2 centimeter. Pi into 2 square upon 2, pi r square by 2 minus area of semicircle on BC as diameter. So BC is 5 centimeter, radius is 5 by 2 centimeter. So area will be is equal to pi into 5 by 2 square upon 2. Now follow this figure. Follow this expression. This is in semi square is equal to, take pi by 2 common in these three. We find 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, plus take pi by 2 as common. Pi by 2 in bracket 3 square by 2 square 9 by 4 plus 2 square 4 minus 5 by 2 square 25 by 4. We find here 6 plus pi by 2 in bracket 20. This will be 0. 4 into 4 64 plus 9, 9 plus 4 into 4 16, 16 plus 9 25 by 4 minus 25 by 4. This term becomes 0. We find 6 semi square. This is the answer. Dear students, in the figure there are 3 semicircles on the 3 sides of a right angle triangle, and shaded region shown in the figure. Shaded region shown in the figure. We have to find the area of the shaded region. So just find the complete area of the figure and subtract area of semicircle on BC as diameter, and this is done like this. Area of the shaded region is equal to total area of figure minus area of semicircle on diameter BC, area of triangle ABC plus area of semicircle on BA plus area of semicircle on AC. This is the total area of the figure, and minus area of semicircle on BC. Then this expression is the required area. Put all the values and calculate it. So this is the area of triangle 1 by 2, 3 into 4, base into height or height into base, you can say anything, plus pi. AB is the length of 3 centimeter, therefore radius will be 3 by 2, pi 3 by 2 square by 2, plus pi. AC is 4 centimeter, radius will be 2, so pi 2 square by 2 minus area of the semicircle on BC, and BC is equal to 5 by 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, therefore radius will be 5 by 2 centimeter, so area will be 5 by 2 square into pi by 2, and put all the values, you will find 6 centimeter square. This is the required area.